Hi guys, I'm your dentist. Welcome back to Dentist to Be. Today we are going to learn how to make a U clasp, which is also known as Jackson's clasp. This U clasp will be easy if you are already done with your C clasp. Like C clasp, U clasp also engages the buccocervical undercut, but it has two retentive arms, whereas the C clasp has only one retentive arm. Let's start with the fabrication of U clasp. Usually U clasp is made with 0.9 mm round stainless steel wire. Take a wire and straighten it before you start fabrication. Here I didn't straighten it, actually I forgot it. So take the wire, straighten it and make a U in the center of your wire. This U, the width of this U will be equal to the mesodistal dimension of your molar. We need both the arms of our U clasp are nearly parallel, there is no need to be exactly parallel. Here you can see both the arms of my U are almost parallel. So now I am marking points mesially and distally to give bend so that my U will be engaged in the buccocervical undercut. Here you can see there is some space between the tooth and the wire, so I am trying to widen the U. Before going to the next step, you should almost nicely done with the previous step. So here I am trying to adjust the U-shaped wire into the buccocervical undercut. Here I think my wire is nicely adapted, so I am marking it to give occlusal bend just above the contact point between the two teeth. Here I am giving a small bend and checking for the direction it is going. But here after giving complete bend it is going more mesially. So I am adjusting it and adapting it again. Now we will go to the mesial arm. Make sure your wire is engaging between the molar and premolar, then mark a point to give an occlusal bend. After marking, hold the wire firmly and give a 90-degree bend. After giving the bends, check for the adaptation. Here you can see my mesial arm is nicely adapted, so I want to continue with the lingual bend to adapt the wire lingually. I gave return to tag before the adaptation so I can prevent the hindrance from the base of the cast. Here you can see my distal arm is not properly adapted, so I am trying to open the bend and I will adapt it properly. Here you can see my distal arm is also almost nicely adapted, so I am trying to give a lingual bend to adapt it to the cast. And finally our U clasp is completed. Here you can see how nicely our U clasp is adapted on all the surfaces. This U clasp offers better retention, but it cannot offer adequate retention on partially adapted teeth. Thanks for watching guys. If you find this video helpful, do like and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe Dentist to Be. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.